Hey, it's Lori Ballen in Las Vegas. The question today is, can I register a domain name with GoDaddy and forward it to my KW command website? Yes, you absolutely can. If you look here, if I type in ballengrouphomes.com, which is registered with GoDaddy, it then forwards to my .kw.com subdomain. Okay, so we technically have a subdomain of the domain kw.com. I don't suggest using this in your marketing materials, because if you ever were to make a change in your business, then if you're advertising this .kw address and it's no longer yours, it would be a problem. So I always suggest registering one domain that you market, like I do with Ballen Group Homes. So it was easy for me to go from the market leader website to the Playster website to the KW website without things breaking, because all I had to do is go change where it forwarded to. So it's a good practice anyway. So we're on GoDaddy. Once you register your domain name, scroll down to your domain name and click it. Then we're going to scroll down to the bottom to the DNS, Manage DNS. Okay. And then we're going to, if you are transferring from Playster, there's going to be a couple more steps that you have to do. You have to get rid of the little www CNAME that's in this little pocket here. And you also probably had something in that A name that you can get rid of. But if you're just registering from scratch, you're good to go. So go down to forwarding. I'm going to click the pencil to show you what it looks like. You want to make sure that the forward is set to HTTPS. And then here, you're going to have that subdomain that you registered with KW for your agent site. We're going to leave this a permanent forward, and our settings are going to be forward only. I suggest you do not use forward with masking. A lot of people don't like it when there's this long URL is up here and shows that it was a forward to a different URL. But trust me, when you start learning how to share links and post ads, you're going to want to be able to access those URLs up here. And if you mask it, you won't be able to get to them, at least not easily. So that's all you do, and then click save. It's that simple. If you have any problems after the fact, please comment and let us know.